Hello friends, this is .py. This is my YouTube channel about Python programming language. I'll be explaining you guys about every nook and corner of Python, and you guys can be a Python developer in no time. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So friends, as for my introduction, I'm working as a Python developer since 2011, currently working as a machine learning engineer. My area of research is deep learning, natural language processing, neural network, blockchain, augmented reality, and virtual reality. Now, let's talk about some important features of Python. First is Python is an interpreted language. An interpreted language is a programming language whose implementations execute instructions directly and freely without previously compiling a language into a machine language instructions. And that is why it is relatively slower compared to other language like Java and C++. Because the interpreter works like this, it takes a single line of code, a single statement, convert it to the byte object, return the control to the program, and again start converting the next statement. So this is how it works. So that's why it is relatively smaller compared to relatively slower compared to Java and C++, C Sharp, all those compile level languages. The next is dynamically typed. What is dynamically typed? So, if any of you guys from C, Java, C++, all these types of background, you guys might know while declaring a variable, you guys have to declare its data type. But in Python, since it is dynamically typed, it doesn't know about the type of the variable until the code is run. So declaration is of no use. So that is why Python is a dynamically typed. And the reason or the cause behind this phenomena is everything in Python is an object. It's a variable, it's a class, maybe it's a method, everything, whatever you see, is an object. So that is why this representation or this phenomena is possible only for Python. Next feature is embeddable. Embeddable means that it is very easy to integrate with C, C++, Java, or different programming languages with Python. You can write your logic or your business need in different programming languages, and you can easily integrate the same thing with Python. More on that, Python is a very high level oops. So all you guys might know what is a oops, and most of the fifth generation or the 4.5 generation language support the oops architecture. So Python is not Python is something like that, and Python also support the oops architecture. And above that, Python is a portable language. What is a portable language? Portable language means where, let's say you write a code in Linux or you write a code in Mac. Now you want to run or you want to execute your code in Windows. Now, can you do that? Let's say for an assumption, the Windows system have Python 3.x or 2.x installed. So if that is installed in the Windows system, you easily copy your code from Mac or Linux, paste it to the Windows ideally, and execute it, and you will get the same result. So the code in this way can be used or reused in different operating system. So this is why Python is a portable language. So these are the main 5 features of Python, and apart of this there are lots of more features, like it is scalable, it is robust, and the security is top notch. And the most important thing is Python is very vast. It is like an ocean. There are currently more than 70 or 80,000 Python package existing in PyPy. So the guys who work in Linux, they know that what is a package manager. For Ubuntu, it is sudo. For other like Fedora, you guys have yum and something like that. So the pip is the Python package index or the Python package manager, and using pip you can install and update all the Python packages. And all those Python packages, the repository is PyPy. So these are the main starting points and our stuff to do in our later courses for Python. So there are a lot of things to learn in Python. So guys, just stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Obviously you guys will updated with our new videos, our new tutorials. I'll be getting in touch. Goodbye from .py.